Okay, busy moms and busy women, as you already seen by the title, this is called How to Detangle Toddler's Hair with No Fuss Guaranteed. And we all know that that is just like a dream come true for us, because kids just do not like to get their hair done like at all. So this video, I'll just be showing you all how I detangle my toddler's hair and to make sure that there's no fussing or fighting going on, just smooth sailing. So let's get into it. So my daughter says hi, but I am starting off by showing you all the products that I'll be using, and that is a rat tail comb or a parting comb, whichever one you call it. And then that is a wide tooth comb, and then this is a brush that I'm using, a spray bottle, leave-in conditioner, and I will be using a oil. My preference normally is coconut oil or olive oil. Those are some good moisturizing oils to use. I'm going to start off by spraying her hair with water first. That's normally what I do, because when you get the hair wet or nice and damp, that helps to be able to moisturize the hair very easily and manage tangles. And I just spray the water unto my liking, and I do not recommend doing this in the morning or during the daytime if it's cold outside. I think that you should moisturize the hair with water at night if it's during the winter time or something like that. And then this is the coconut oil that I will be using. This is just some regular coconut oil that I pick up at my local grocery store, nothing special. And I like to use oil because it also helps give the hair more slip, makes the tangles even more manageable, gives the hair a nice shine. I'm just working the oil in, and I am doing it in sections so I can get every part of the hair. And as you can see, as you watch the video, each product I work through the hair. I don't put all the product in at once and then work it in. I do each product one by one and work it in one by one. I am doing the same thing with the leave-in conditioner, and I really like this leave-in conditioner because it's very moisturizing and it's not very thick at all. I'm just taking the comb and parting her hair down the middle because I will be doing 2 ponytails. And y'all, let me tell y'all, I cannot part to save my life, and I've gotten that from my mom, honest, because it'll take me forever to get a part straight, and no, this part right here is not going to be straight. I can do hair, but I cannot part to save my life. I also wanted to let y'all know that when I do my daughter's hair, I always try to make sure that she's fed, she's changed, and she's clean, because as we all know, they can get real fussy and always wanting to move and get up, and they don't have a long attention span, and so it can be hard to do little one's hair. So I always try to make sure that she's good and she doesn't need anything, because then I know that she will sit still even longer for me to get done whatever it is that I'm trying to do in her hair. That is the best time ever. I know it doesn't always work out that way, but most of the times that's what I'm trying to aim for. And it is taking me forever to part her hair, so I'm gonna just speed this up. And right here, she just kept laughing because she kept telling me that while I was trying to part the back of her head, that it was tickling her. So that didn't help the parting process none. I am going to be using rubber bands for her ponytails, but I do not recommend leaving the rubber bands in for days at a time or overnight, and because rubber bands can just get very tangled in the hair. And I just like to use rubber bands for her hair sometimes over scrunchies. That's just my preference. And this brush right here, y'all, let me tell y'all, I really like this brush. It smooths the hair very good without causing any breakage, whether the hair is wet or dry. I use this brush on my daughter's type 4 hair. I use this on my son's hair, and it clumps the curls in your hair very nicely. And this is just a detangling brush that I got from Walmart. Like, I think I've had it for like a year now, and I really like this brush. Thank you for telling me, Mama. I never really smooth down her edges because it literally like doesn't last no more than like 30 minutes. But for the sake of the video, I wanted to go ahead and do them because I mean I do them time to time, but I don't use any edge control or anything like that. It's just water and or oil that I use, and right now I just use some oil. As you all can see, this is her hair all finished, and she is a very happy toddler. She's not all mad and grouchy, and I hope this video was very helpful and informative, and that you keep coming back to enjoy my content every week. And if you haven't already, click the subscribe button and the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you can join the channel, and make sure you comment your thoughts below. What is that?